Welcome back, part 3. We start with number 12. Here, since there's multiplying happening, we of course add our exponents. So that would be 2 base e. Notice it's x plus x, so 2x plus 3 is appropriate there. For number 14, again, we add exponents. And when we add those two, they will cancel one another out, leaving simply e to the first or e. For number 15, this 2 basically gets distributed to all parts, including the 2 in front. So we will have e to the 6x in our first rewrite, 2 squared down below, and then e to the 2x. Again, 2 times x as the exponent. Noticing the e's are the same base, we can subtract exponents. The 6x and the 2x would simplify to 4x, and that would be above the fraction bar since the higher value is above, and we would have a 4 in the denominator because of that 2 squared. For number 16, one way to look at this, we could distribute this -1 to both of the parts and flip things around. But an alternative understanding of this is that -1 is a reciprocal. So if you understand that concept, then you can simply write 2 over e as your final answer. Had we distributed, by the way, just to show you, we'd have to fix each of those by swapping the e to the negative first to the bottom and the 2 to the first to the top, resulting in the same answer we have here. For number 17, if you wish to rewrite this as an exponential style, you could write 6 to the y equals 216, and numerically knowing some simple squares, cubes, and fourth powers, you can pretty quickly come up with a value of 3 for this answer. Again, if you wish to rewrite, you can, but here, base 144, to turn it into a 12, we have to actually square root that 144. So to make that happen, the power, or the numerical expression for square rooting, is the 1/2 power. For number 19, what power do I raise 3 to get 1 over 27? You might realize that for fractions, these will all be negative, and 27 is 3 to the 3rd power. For number 20, 3 raised to what power is 81? That, of course, is 4. 10 raised to what power is 1? That, of course, is the 0 power. And 303 raised to what power is 303? Almost embarrassed to ask. That is an answer of 1. So you can verbally rewrite these, or you can actually rewrite them on paper, turn them into exponential forms, and then use your knowledge of numbers to figure out the numerical values.